Hey guys, this video I'm gonna show you how to use Seedance 2.0 for free on OpenArt.ai. When you go to OpenArt.ai, you wanna click Start Creating, and after that, it's gonna take you to this home page. So on here, you can actually use GPT-2, Seedance 2.0. You can have all the different, right here, I'm gonna show you the different models, all these, so you can use all these for free on OpenArt, and so that's pretty cool. So please give a like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips. It has all these model LTX, Sora, Seedance, VO3, Kling 3.0, Hilua, Pixverse, Video, and so on. And also you're gonna have all these image tools on the left side. So you can use also GPT Image 2, Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana Pro, Recraft, Van 2.0, Grok Imaging, Seed Dream 5.0, and so on. So all in the list, you can use it for free. Flux as well, and you can have access to the motion control as well. All these motion control right here, and the lip sync right here. So I'm going to show you how to use all these tools for free. So please give a like now and subscribe for more helpful videos. It's going to help my video. Thank you so much. So just click login, and on here you can log in with a new account or like with your existing Gmail as well. You can create a new email as well. So just create an email. You can create your own email and log in with this. So for me, I'm going to click on sign in with Google. And it's going to open this page, and you can sign in with your own email right here. You can create a new one as well. So after you logged in, you're going to see here your credits right here. And if you click on that, actually it's going to bring you to the monthly right here. Now 24,000 credit is $56, 12,000 credit is $29, and you have to upgrade in order to use those AI models. And I'm going to show you how to get to use those models for free as a trial. And you want to go to the top right here, and you want to type this in like this. So /credit/ like this. I'm gonna leave in the link in the video description below, so just give a like and subscribe to my channel. And after you type this in the browser, just hit enter, and it's going to show you this page right here. So as you can see, I still have 3 credits which was remaining from the last trial, and it says credits from OpenArt is offering you 20,000 credits. These credits will be added to your trial credits. So just click that, and after I click that, it says these credits will be added. So credits have been added. I have 20,000 now. And let's go and try. So I suggest you to go to the new workspace. As you can see, we got 20,000 credits for free. So please give a like and subscribe to my channel. We didn't have to upgrade anything, because if you click upgrade, as you can see, I'm still not in subscribe. Yeah, I'm still unsubscribed right now. I'm still on the free plan. As you can see, I'm on the current plan, free plan. And as I close this, I have 20,000. These are trial credits for you to try. So you go to the new workspace, actually go up here, new workspace, and then we're gonna go down to video tools. And all these right here, we have actually Seedance 2.0 right here, Kling 3.0, Kling 3, and so on. So you can play around with this with your 20,000 credits. And that's pretty cool, right? You have 20,000 credits. As you can see, 20,000 credits. So if you find this video helpful, please give a like, and you can actually go try other things inside OpenArt. That's a great platform for you to generate and create. And you can have audio as well in here, 11 labs. You can have world maps as well. So just go play around and have fun. I'm still on the free plan, but still have 20,000 credits. So please give a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.